Hey, I'm Mercedes.
And I'm Brent.
Thanks for coming to the Ryerson Open House.
You can check in at any point at the Student Learning Center or at Kerr Hall West, where campus tours will begin all day.
Various programming will be running all day until 2 p.m.
Explore the campus at the Kerr Hall West Upper Gymnasium, where campus tours will be running all day.
Welcome to the Student Learning Center. The SLC is one of the spots that you can check in for the Open House 2019. There's a lot of construction going on campus, so I'm going to show you how to navigate it. Let's go for a walk. Look out for staff in yellow vests to check in. You can check in at the Kerr Hall West Upper Gym or the Student Learning Center. Those in red jackets are there to help you for campus tours and wayfinding.
Interested on living on campus? We got 4 wonderful residence buildings.
Check out a presentation on our beach floor to learn all about what Ryerson has to offer. Available on the hour.
Learn more about zone learning at Ryerson University and how you can get an internship with a startup in your first year. Sessions are available at 10 a.m., 11:30 a.m., and 1 p.m.
Interested in more than one program at Ryerson? We have some great ways to check out all 60 plus of our undergraduate programs. Check out one of our faculty fairs to speak with a program representative or a faculty information session. Location and times are available on your agenda. We hope you get the chance to check out everything that Ryerson has to offer.
And we look forward to seeing you on campus.